Hi! In this video you will learn on how to find the alternative/replacement for Clarostat Skan-A-Matic Fiber Optic Focus Optical Magnifier Sensors. In order to find the solution article, you will need to access the technical support portal at svs-support, honeywell.com, and have an account created. After doing so, please use the above search bar and type the following keywords, Clarostat and replacement, and hit enter. Afterwards, a list with articles will be displayed, and the first one is the one which needs to be accessed. In the article is mentioned that Honeywell discontinued the Clarostat Skan-A-Matic Fiber Optic /photo electric-related focus optical magnifier sensor products with no similar replacement any longer at all. The entire Skan-A-Matic product line was sold to the Moxley Company. In the article, you can find contact details to reach out to the Moxley Company. We hope that this information was useful, and please go through our YouTube channel to find more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.